Hey, it's Sherry Starnes here, and I have another empowering tip for you today. Actually, it's maybe this is more like a thought, but what I want you to take note of is that you are responsible for yourself. You and only you are responsible for yourself. It doesn't matter where you are today or what has happened in the past. You are the one that is responsible for everything that's happened to you. It may be easy or to blame someone else or different circumstances, and you feel like you're the victim. But the fact of the matter is you are responsible for yourself. And you're going to have to accept that possibility. I mean, that responsibility. If you want to be successful, you're going to have to accept the fact that only you can make a difference in what you're doing today and how things will be in your future. You have the ability to learn anything that you want to learn, to achieve any goal that you set for yourself, but it's up to you. You're the one that has to be responsible for the learning, be responsible for taking action. No one else can do that for you. So anyway, that's the thought for the day, is just to step up and take responsibility for yourself, for your future, and do whatever it takes to get you to the point where you're living the life that you want to live. It doesn't matter what that life is. I mean, you may not want to be a millionaire, but you may want some time freedom. You may want more time to spend with your friends and family. Whatever it is, you are the only one that's responsible and that can achieve that goal that you set for yourself. So make it a great day. Click the link below this video, lock arms with me now, and find out more about the success that my team and our company is having. So make it a great one. I'll talk to you soon.